Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing you Bitdefender VPN review. How do you start using it? But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, in this case, Bitdefender VPN is a premium virtual private network built by one of the absolute biggest names in the global cybersecurity. Now, while it is used to be a basic afterthought bundled into their antivirus software here, it has evolved into a powerful standalone product. Now, it operates a massive network of over like 3,000 servers across more than 100 countries, utilizing military-grade AES 256 encryption to completely mask your true location and internet traffic. Now, in this case, the single best reason to use Bitdefender here, or Bitdefender VPN, is its incredible lag-free speed, because it relies heavily on optimized modern WireGuard protocol. It leaves older VPN tech in the dust, and in real-world performance test here, it barely touches your baseline internet speed, so often dropping it at less than 3% on local connections. Now, how do you start using it? Well, the thing with this one is you need to visit their official website. It's going to be bitdefender.com, or you could just basically search Bitdefender VPN and click on the necessary link or the appropriate link for it. But this is what it should look like. Now, what you need to do here is want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here until you see the section that says try Bitdefender free 7-day trial. Let's go ahead and just select this one. It's going to download the actual installer here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And once you've downloaded Bitdefender, you want to go agree to a few things. Click on I agree, click on install. Once you've done that, just wait for a while here for the installation to complete. Now, in here, once you do see this pop up here, go ahead and click on start installation. And again, you may need to wait. Now, once it's actually installed, you have two options. You could either sign in or create your account. Now, if you're new here, just click on create account and just follow the on-screen steps here to create your account. And once you've created your account, this is what you should be seeing. Now, the thing with this one is it's pretty easy to use. As you can see here now, the connect button is easily available, and you could also choose the location that you may want to connect. So if you click on locations here, you should see a bunch of locations you could actually connect here at the right side. Now, in this case, once you do select one of them, you can just click on the connect button. And once you click on connect, this will initiate the connection process. You may need to wait for a while, but once it's actually connected, your connection should now be secure. Now, from here, once you are connected, as you can see, secured connection, you could also disable that by clicking on the connect or the power button here to disconnect to it. Now, if you could also see the data, like for example, your connection, how much you use as of right now, for the week, for the month, or for just today. Now, if you want to access other sections here, like you could go access your settings. You also have the kill switch here if you want to basically disconnect totally. Now, if you access the settings option, you should have the other options here, like for privacy, auto-connecting, advanced, even managing your account. You could also do that in here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and share button, and watch our next video.